Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve root x plus root x minus 9 equal 9 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So root x plus root x minus 9 equal 9. So if I'll do squaring both sides, so it becomes a plus b whole square which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So root x whole square plus root x minus 9 whole square plus 2 times root x times root x minus 9 equal 9 square is 81. So with the help of the square root removes. So x plus x minus 9 plus 2 under root x times x minus 9 equal 81. So this x plus x becomes 2x minus 9 plus 2 under root. This becomes x square minus 9x equal 81. So 2 under root x square minus 9x equal 81. Take this 2x to other side and 9 also. So 2 under root x square minus 9x equal 81 plus 9 is 90 minus 2x. Now 2 under root x square minus 9x equal, if I take 2 as common, 45 minus x. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So under root x square minus 9x equal 45 minus x. So again, if I'll do squaring both sides. So with the help of the square root removes. So x square minus 9x equal, here we are going to use the identity a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square minus 9x equal 45 square is 2025. There is a trick of to calculate 45 square higher fast. So you can do what you have to do. You have to multiply with the next number of the first digit, that is 4 times 5 is 20, and do the square of 5 25. So it's 2025 plus x square minus 90x. Now cancel out this x square from both sides. So minus 9x plus 90x equal 2025. So this gave us 81x equal 2025 and x equal 2025 by 81. When we cancel out, we get 25. So this is the value of x. Now let's check this. So under root x plus under root x minus 9 equal 9 or not. So under root x means under root 25 plus under root 25 minus 9. Under root 25 we can write it as 5 square plus under root, this becomes 16. This is the help of the square root removes. 5 plus 16 we can write it at 4 square. This will cancel out. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So yes, LHS is equals to RHS. So x is equals to 25 is the verified answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.